Hey friends! Notice anything different? Yep, this is me now. Or rather, this is my avatar. I uploaded a photo of myself and this is what HeyGen created. Cool, right? For me, using an avatar means I can still show up, express myself, and connect, just in a way that feels more comfortable and creative. I built this avatar using HeyGen, and I'm using an AI-generated voice instead of my real one. That's right. Everything you're hearing was created with ElevenLabs. Let me show you how I did it. Step 1. I chose the HeyGen platform because it lets you generate a realistic avatar just from a photo. I uploaded one picture, chose a few visual settings, and within minutes, this is the result. Step 2. I created the voice using ElevenLabs. I didn't clone my voice. This is a completely new AI-generated voice I picked. Then, I connected ElevenLabs to HeyGen using an API key. Step 3. I wrote my script, dropped it into the HeyGen text box, selected my avatar and AI voice, and generated this video you're watching now. This avatar is me. It's not pretending to be someone else. It's a creative way for me to show up, tell stories, and build content while still staying behind the scenes. What do you think? Would you ever create a digital version of yourself? Or is this all a little too futuristic for you? I think it's wild how far AI has come. You can literally generate a virtual version of yourself, voice, face, and movement, without even recording a single video or voice clip. If you want tips or a full walkthrough of HeyGen or ElevenLabs, drop a comment. I've got you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Same brain, new face. Bye.